Amy, Mommy got this Squishmallows sticker in her candy at Telemart, and it has a bunch of stuff in it. So let's open it up to see what's inside. It came with the candy. Well, I don't know how to eat this when it goes on. Well, I got these stickers. Check it out.
Richard.
It came from one of these stickers and it goes on. And also, we got a new pine cone that goes on. I don't care to check it out. What's in it, son? Oh. Why is this? Why is this bag look like a balloon? A pine cone? Oh, this pine cone looks nice. I can't wait to get showed by checking it out. Hard candy? Oh, soft candy. Pine cone. Tell me if it's hard candy or soft candy. Oh, it is a ring. I can't believe it's rain. I gotta show up my check it out to see what it is. And a little surprise right here from every single check it out. I have to show you. From all my subscriber countdown. That's the coloring Squishmallow. This is the coloring. To eat it and check it out. You can see what the hard sweets are. So I have to tell from all my subscribers my countdown in this video. This is finished. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and feel my antibiotics.